Yo, Money Gang, what's up? This your boy Money Mane, Latrine Hill. If y'all don't know who I am, I'm Latrine, of course. All right, and I'm here today to show you guys how to make money, as I do every video. Okay, I'm in my car. Talk about today is $25 1-up. How much does it cost to get in? A lot of people do ask me that, and I'm here to tell you guys how much it costs and the benefit from it. Okay. So if you guys don't know what $25 1-up is, I will have another video at the end of the video that you can go check out that video. But this video, I'm going to tell you how much it costs. So there's 4 plans you can get in under. It's the $25 one, the $100 one, the $250 one, and the $500 one, okay? Cut to the chase, most people don't have $250. Most people definitely don't have $500 laying around to invest, okay? Let's just be honest. So for a beginner-friendly opportunity, such as $25 1-up, it's very important that you guys try to find something that's gonna help people in your predicament that don't have a lot of money, you know, especially if they really don't want to invest in themselves, but they want to make some money for the holidays. So, of course, you got the $25 option where you invest 25 bucks and it's unlimited $25 commission. So, like I said, it's a 1-up program. So your first commission goes to you, your $25 goes to you, whoever signs up with $25. Then the second one will go to your sponsor, that $25. And then the rest, the unlimited, will go to you. Unlimited $25 commissions, okay? But if you do the $100 program, then you're able to make unlimited $100 commissions and unlimited $25 commissions, okay? So if somebody signs up under you for $100, you get the $100. Somebody signs up under you again for $100, they go to your sponsor, and then the other $100 go to you, okay? Now, if somebody signs up under the $25 one, you still get that $25, okay? But of course, as of right now, for the average beginner starting out doing this opportunity, I definitely recommend the $100 opportunity due to the fact that's what I'm in. Of course, if you don't have the money, by all means, $25, go for it, man. But I feel like if you really want to take yourself serious and make some money with this opportunity, you should definitely invest in yourself and get the $100 program, okay? Now, if you're feeling good and you got $250, by all means, I'm not here to judge you, man. I just want to, tell you guys about something that's a quick opportunity for you guys to make some quick money so that you don't have to invest a lot due to the fact that it is the holidays and people are spending money on Christmas gifts anyway. So why not flip that $100, okay? Flip the $100 and turn it into a couple thousand, 10,000 by the end of the month. I mean, it's possible if you put the work to it. Everything's automated in the system. So 250, 500 is the same thing. Also with the different plans, you do get different trainings. That's why I suggest the $100 one, because you get a good variety of training. You get the $25 training and the $100 training. And I know with the 250 and 500, you get a lot more stuff. But just for beginner friendly, $100 level is definitely what I recommend. That way you can make the most money. If you want to take yourself serious, that's the way to go. So this is a quick video on how you can make some extra money with $25 1-up and how much it costs, okay? It's your boy, the Money Mane, Money Gang. Y'all stay up, all right?